Hello, my people. Today, I want to share with you one of the best and one of the most significant indicator that you can use to make profit or gain profit in your trading skill. I don't usually share this indicator to my students because I found out that once they start using it, they will all be fully depending on this indicator. Every signals that come out from this indicator is 99% accurate. If you're a losing trader, this indicator will help you to achieve all the loss you have been losing all through your trading skill. If you are a beginner, you can as well use it to make profit. What this indicator does is it tells you when to buy, when to sell, and when to exist. It also helps you to know where to put your pending order to buy or sell, and also put your pending order where to sell. This indicator also can be used in all time frame, in all asset class. But today we choose UJ, which is US dollar JPY. Let me explain how this indicator is. But first of all, the name of this indicator is called Price Entering Alert Indicator. This is how this indicator works. For those of you who have no clue on how the indicator works. First thing you need to understand is that we all are here in the forex market to make profits. Nobody wants to lose, okay? So you are looking for good softwares that can help better your trading and make it fast. So this price entering indicator, this is what it does. Let me zoom out. I'm going to zoom out. This indicator, what it does is that it tells you that a market is about to sell or about to buy. Let's give a scenario. This big cycle here indicates that market is going to sell for a very long time. Why this red indicator, like this red sign, this arrow that is red, is telling you that prepare. Maybe you are in a buying market. You have been buying all this while. Once you spot this dot that is center, after that, you now saw this big cycle that is covering like a big tire. You should immediately close your trade for a buy and wait for a sell. This is how this thing works. If I am buying from here to here, and I suddenly saw the first dot, this first dot is telling me close your buy. The big tire is telling me that this sell that is about to happen is a very long sell. Okay, then the red arrow that appears here is telling you that you should get ready to sell. Then this white arrow here is telling you, oh yeah, enter for sell. So this first center dot is telling you close your buying market. The cycle is telling you, giving you sign that the market is a long sell. The arrow is telling you that this red arrow is telling you that the market is ready. Get set. Then this white one is telling you action. That means you can place immediate sell and you can see. Then where do you put your stop loss? You put your stop loss here above 5 pips above the red arrow. Are you seeing it? 5 pips above the red arrow. That is where your stop loss is supposed to be. This arrow here, see where this white this thing is? That is where your stop loss is supposed to be. Then your entry point should be the most recent low of a candle. Let me give you an example. Okay. This is the, sorry, I'm trying to make it, this is the candle. Which one is the, okay. Okay. Now, once this market from this red come out, this particular red came out, you don't jump in immediately and start selling. No, you must wait for this white. This white arrow is telling you you can buy now or you can sell immediately. But my advice is that if you spot this white arrow, look for the most recent low of a candle. You can use this particular one, this candle, this particular one as your pending order. Here should be your pending order for sale. Here should be your pending order stop loss. Then your first take profit is here. Are you seeing it? It has already been set. So before this market form, this line has already been there. So your first take profit must be here. Then your second one will be here. Your third one will be here. Anytime they look, if you shake very well with this indicator, you will see that anytime it tells you prepare, you will see that the market will surely hit at least first and second take profit level. So now the market, you can also use it to trade retracement. Once you have been selling, suddenly you spot a green dot. You know, this for sell is red, for buy is a green. Once you spot a green dot, if the big tire did not, the big cycle like this particular one did not appear, you know that this market that is about to buy is a retracement, not a strong buy. So first thing, you wait for the dot. Second thing, you wait for this green arrow. The last one, you wait for the white one. Once the white one come out, you look for the most recent, the most significant top that is higher, which is this one. This one is the most significant top here. Sorry, this is the top that is higher than the most. This one should be your pending order for buy. Then you come below, you give 5 pips below your that place that that dot, that green dot is 5 pips. You calculate your 5 pips, you set your stop loss here. Then your first TP between here and here should be here. Okay, then if you notice that the thing is going, you can then shift your stop loss to this place. As the thing continue progressing, you keep draining your stop loss. Another thing is that you can close your buy once you see a red dot. A red dot significant. This red dot telling you that, okay, our buy retracement have ended. Now it's time for the market to resume selling direction. So with that, now you are encouraged to do what? I'm sorry. Now, right now, the market, the red dot has appeared. The next thing you are expecting is the red arrow. The next move is this one. So once this one appears, what do? Okay, you look for the most significant, most recent low. Here become your what? This place become your next targeted entry point, pending order. I recommend you use pending order instead of instant execution. Then you can use above the red place here as your stop loss. Then here become your pending order, and you can then allow the market to continue going down until you see another yellow dot. Now this green dot that appears here now have a big cycle that covered, means that the selling market has ended. Therefore, the buyers are about to take over the market. Okay, then let's watch out and see what happened. When you started selling, you can see you made a lot of profit. See, one thing with this indicator is that as far as you are following all the things I just taught in this indicator, you will make consistent profit. Wherever you are, whether you are in any part of the world, once you call us or once you click on the link below and join our Telegram group, you will get access to the admin and you order for this indicator. It helps, it makes things easy. Maybe you have a group where you send signal and your clients are complaining that the signal you are sending are bad. With this indicator, you will use it to send clean signal. You can use this indicator on volatility, 75, boom, crash. You can use it on currency. Look at the currency. You can use it on gold. You can use it on any asset class that you want to use it on. This is how this indicator. Okay, look at now. After the market must have sold down to this place, the first one that used to appear is this center dot. The second one, you see, the second one is this big cycle. So it has appeared. What happens here? Once it appears, what happens here? This one came up. The next one, the white one came up. What do? So you just look for the most significant high and enter. Which one is the most significant high that is higher than this here? Here should be your entry point, because this market is this is below here, 5 pips below here should be your stop loss. Then you can see how far the market have traveled. You can see it traveled. Let's assume that your pending order, your entering is here. Maybe person that is using instant execution would have entered when the white arrow appears. But somebody that is conservative, that is trading with pending order, would have entered here. This is the place the person that is using pending order enter. And this is the place where your stop loss as a pending order, even as a instant execution trader, would have entered. Okay, then look at it. The distance, you can see the person made a lot of profit. From year to year, he made a lot of profit. So immediately this red dots appear and this big cycle appear, you just close the market. One thing with this indicator is that it will show you when to close, when to, oh my goodness. If you use this indicator, you'll be so grateful wherever you are. Join us now at CJ Forex Global and get this indicator. You can even sell it to your clients. We offer wholesale and retail price. If you are coming to buy many quantities so that you can sell to your students to help them, because your students are leaving you gradually. Because once they are there, they are not earning and they are not learning. It's not making sense. We also sell robots. Our robots are the best. Our robot made between 30 to 90% with accurate risk management. CJ Forex robots. We have A1, A2, A3, A4. We have different types of robots, both for big and medium. As far as you are in this forex business, you need to have something that will help you make profit while you are learning or while you are teaching your student. So if you're a losing trader, you have been making series of loss, with this indicator you can recover all you have lost. Okay, I can't keep this good information from you. It's my own duty is to share this information. Your duty is to take it. It's up to you. So order for this indicator. You can see now this market has been in a long it said a long sell. So first thing that happened, this one appears. The next one, the red one appear. So you look for the low that is most recent low, the low that is most recent low, which is this one. You can then use here as your pending order for sell. Here, you can see clearly the market is in a very big this. You can see the market is still going down. It's still going down gradually. It's going down. So my advice for you is to find a way and buy this indicator wherever you are. We will send it